1. Hold down the program greater than button for 3 seconds. 2. Create a new program. 2. Click linear motion to insert the transition point. 3. Press the drag greater than button in the robot body. Drag to the target point. 4. Move the rocker to fine adjust the position and add to the welding gun. 55. Click linear motion to insert the arc starting point. 6. Click the less than weld greater than button and wait until the command information is displayed on the handle display. Click the shift greater than button to confirm the welding current and welding voltage values. 7. Click the shift button again to confirm the welding speed. And finally, insert the arc starting command. 8. Click the swing greater than button and wait until the command information is displayed on the display of the handle. Click the shift button to confirm the swing frequency and swing amplitude. Finally, insert wobble start command. 9. Press the drag greater than button in the robot body and drag it to the target point. 10. Hold down the less than the cover greater than button for more than 3 seconds. The posture of the robot returning to the previous kitchen point. 11. Move the stick and adjust the position of the target point. 12. Click the linear motion button to insert the arc extinguishing point. 13. Hold down the shift button. Click the less than swing greater than button. Insert swing start command. 14. Hold down the shift button. Click the less than weld greater than button. Insert the extinguishing command. 15. Press the drag greater than button in the robot body and drag it to the target point. 16. Click the less than linear motion greater than button to insert the transition point. 17. Select from the instruction menu, welding, arc tracking start instruction. 18. Click insert, insert after the pendulum start command. 19. Select from the instruction menu, welding, arc tracking and instruction. 20. Click insert until the pendulum stops. More details, please stand by.